I'm starting with egg whites. There are 6 egg whites. I'm going to let those go and whip up. Because we're going to make, I told Rick we were going to make carrot cake. Well, I didn't tell him we were going to make cake. I told him we were going to make a dessert with vegetables. Here are 6 egg yolks. And now, I want to mix those up. So I want about 2 tablespoons of butter, softened. There's my butter. And some of my homemade orange liqueur. About a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. And get that blended in. Then we want to add some salt, flour, about a half of a cup of flour goes in. You see how we're doing here? No, not quite yet. I'll know. And as you're doing this, I wish you could smell this frittata because it smells delicious. And anyone who hates cauliflower, I think, would really love it. Get the flour well mixed in. You see, I'm doing 3 things at once this morning. Now we want to add some nuts. About 1½ cups of walnuts is what I like to put in this. And, of course, the carrots. 2 large carrots grated. Our nuts go in. This gets all mixed together. And the last thing we have to add here are those egg whites, which I better go check and see where they are. I can always come back to this part. Well, they're almost there, but not quite, so I can finish this. If I can get it off, there we go. Shake off all my egg whites. And now, we want to fold these egg whites right into our mixture. This is going to taste like, a light sponge cake. So now, excuse my fingers, we want to fold this in. So now you do with a wide-faced spatula. I had to borrow this one this morning from my friend Donazia because all my spatulas are in the dishwasher. But a nice wide-faced one like this helps you to get a large amount of egg whites evenly distributed into the batter. Simply fill these up, about 2/3 to 3/4 full. You want to wipe off the edges so they look neat, just like that. And then you put them on a tray. This recipe is going to make, about a dozen or a dozen and a half, depending on the size pan you use. Now these go into a preheated 350-degree oven